the lip on it, they push the car back over, yeah. If the car come back from the side, push it back over there. That is it, man. That's a markets for you. Competition, let's go! Look at this, 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 look at this. Hold it now, hold it, 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 hold it. You're running on this side, boss. Running on this side, boss. Watch this now. Pass it. Watch this. 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 Watch it. No. Serious damage over the years.
Jamaican things, family now guys, we're there. Guess what we're there now? We're there Portmore, St. Catherine. I don't know. Heelz and Wheelz car show. Yeah, my people. Heelz and Wheelz car show. Some people, guess what? We're going to make a walk through. I'm going to store the machine them nice and clean. Yes, the mess I'm going to show no walk and stick and stay. If you're not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe, like and share. Drop a comment below. We're going to make a step.
Like when you in these streets moving sexually. If that shit chicken, why she texting me? Why she keep calling my phone speaking sexually? Every time I know, why she stressing me? You call her Stephanie, I call her Ashley.
make your way to the stage. Let's keep it moving. Best old school. Please to bring your tickets to the front. The judges are waiting. And then Miss Customize lighting right after. Malik.
Lipo International Mobile Sound. Music is a lifestyle.
Check it out now. No other puppy girl, but your boy food, taking last kick out the machine, making me no be in a hospital. When me stepping on the street, tell us I'm street, come and style them up fire like a party. this up, press up. I get a beat, I give this up, back this up, back this up.
Hold up. So, people, take out on the phone. Markets will be going first. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. One. One of them push the camera over to you. Now push it back over. If it don't come over there, push it back over. So, lift on it. Then push the camera over. Yeah. If the camera come back from the side, push it back over there. That is it, man. That's a markets for you right there. If the camera come over, stay away there. Hold on. Stop the music. Alright, hold it. That's a markets. See that now? That is it. Hold on. That is it. Wait until the place clear. Merciful Father, somebody ever tell me so it smell like burnout tires. Wait until the smoke clear. Don't play no music as yet. Remember, the rear wheel drive vehicle, if you're standing right here, so I don't see that come over too much for the side, all I have to do is push it back over. We're not supposed to know this already. See? Yeah, we don't know. Alright, so here more you don't know. When you reverse, look a bit for yourself, please. Well, don't play the music yet, because this is a caution thing, bro. You must have be people there. See, you reverse look a bit. Instead of feel that they know, a killer. No, a killer. Listen up. That feel that they, a killer. Them man they specialize in buying front tire on a regular basis. I'm telling them. Take your time on for them, boss. Take your time on for them. Yeah, hold it now. Hold it this now. People, take out on the phone for this. No! Do not go in front of the car! Voila, don't, hey, feel that, hold it, feel it. Don't even rip it, hold it. You see this we don't want. Please, I beg you. We don't want nobody have no injuries. Do not go too close to the car then. Please. Are you ready? The 2026 station of Heelz and Wheelz. The Burnout competition. Let's go! Look at this. Hold it now, hold it. Merciful Father, hold it, feel now, hold it. Hold it. I'm killing them. Look at the stage. Hold it. Stop! Jamaica, stop! No, let me tell you something. Hold on. I'm gonna tell you something. Hold on the markets. But I have to congratulate the markets. We can't bias. But, but it is regular for you to see a rear wheel drive burnout. It's not so regular to see a front wheel drive burnout. Stand out, you know, people who come look here. Hold it. And do not go in front of the vehicle. Jamaica, stop! No, hot tire. Don't make it catch your face, yeah? When you stay to the side, you can't see. This is a Nissan Caravan. Watch this now. After 3, 1, go!
What is my?
You ready now, Nissan bus? Ready now, Nissan bus? Watch this now.
Pass it.
Watch this! 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 No! Wallet this and bus! Wallet this and bus! Wallet this!
Wallet there, oh God. Jamaica, stop! Wallet there, oh God. Wallet there, wallet there.
This is going to be a very hard decision. This is going to be a very hard decision. Yeah, we're going to do that, we're going to do that. I know. Yeah, I know. But I will not want to be the judge of this competition. No. I do not want to be the judge of this competition. They're going to make the people on this side. Feel that. Who is a feel that? The market's fancy. Stop! Stop! Snow White, stop! All who said the feel that take it, show of hands. All who said feel that take it, show of hands.
Wallet there, oh God.
Now, the man that drive the caravan and the youth that drive the markets, let me remind you, this car you burn it way all out till it get a fans and everything, so me not have nothing to say. This car you come with fans. This thing that come with fans, bro. That's why I said, make the people them decide. So all who say the markets again show of hands, look you know, look. All who say the markets win, show of hands. All who say the caravan take it, show of hands. Look it up, look. All who say the field that take it, show of hands. Me done talk. We have 2 Moscato and 10 grand deal, and remember the bar still around. People, we have to understand. It's a dry throat reasonings can do the chlamydia here. Dry throat reasonings will do the AIDS. Link the bar. Dry throat reasonings do the thinking mouth. Link the bar. So as you can see, the people have decided. Alright, so we're going to hear from this. What color this? On persons, well I'm boss. Jamaica, stop! Jamaica, stop! Wallet, my boss. So we're going to start with the EG. Sit down there. Right there, so. After 3, we want to listen carefully. Ready? Don't play no. You see the car over there on the bonnet, who are far back out of some. Okay. Yeah, man. Hold on. No, last time I never tell you that. Alright, last time. Alright. So we need to get this part over here so fast. We need to get the ambulance segment done fast. Because we don't know the knives are being up. See? Give him some weight, them, father. You know, but them are keep the peace. Yeah man, anytime now. This is the last category. That's how we left now with the last. We know where the part to go. And that carry the anti-lock. This is the anti-lock. Give the officer them some way, please. Give the officers them way. Them can get any emergency call at any time. Give them some way. Okay? No. Alright, so we have a red VW, yes sir. See them here. I don't see you go see them here. People, listen. Watch this now. Let's go. Ready. One more. One more time. Wait. No. Motion. Oh shit. No, sir. People. But that's what I'm telling you. We never did not expect it. Yeah, make it go. If we don't get the score, look at it sometime for me. When I was sticky, I'm getting in the room. Alright, them say no time. Give them somewhere they play. Surprise with the tune. Well, give the next guy somewhere, please. We need to get over this competition. Give the next guy somewhere, please. Give the next guy somewhere, please. Yeah, man. Give the next guy somewhere, please. Are you ready? I think you're going to stay there, so I'm going to come on. Come on. Yeah. In somewhere. When I get clear on them tail by Yo, hold on the ears here.
Hold it there, I hope God.
Listen, your eardrum can get serious damage. Hold the ears. Don't get me involved. Don't get me involved. Alright, see the police will come now. These are for the anti-lock. These are for the anti-lock. The police is here now. Please. And for you see them with the ticket machine on their car. Don't know what they're not doing. No man, them say, hey, stop that now. No, them say stop that now. Them say stop that now. The police are there, no, in real life. Yeah man. Our courtesy of Heelz and Wheelz, we would like to tell you guys thanks for coming out and making it another successful event on the 2026 staging of Heelz and Wheelz. Please drive home safe. Please drive home safe. Alright? We can't go above the time because remember, the law only gives you a certain amount of time. And so once anti-lock reach, we don't know what the part they go. That's how we make anti-lock be the last category. See? So to drive home safe, We're going to talk about the winners them after this. The judge them really have come out this time. For the Burnout and for the Antillan. So they don't go too far. The manager of the caravan, the markets, and the fielder don't go too far. And also for the Antillan man them don't go too far. The judge them actually go forward now. So again, respect our manners and thanks for choosing Heelz and Wheelz. You don't know anything, but manager them play at the end of the team and big up for the self-set game. Whole team of Bay-City, YC, big up yourself. Whole Heelz and Wheelz family. Rich Rock, big up yourself, Zeddy. Mario, big up yourself. Super Eye, big up yourself. Burnout, big up for yourself, Zeddy. Walking star, anyway. One Carz, one Waterford, asking. Today's a nation, don't move. The church them come on, come start with that now. See? I never expect that, brother. So please drive safe on your way out. And thanks again. We really appreciate you guys' support. We're gonna be doing this very, very soon. Heelz and Wheelz, not one up in this team.
I got a pocket full of bubbles in my home point.
I don't know what's going on either. I don't have a clue what the surprise is. Guys,
Oh, Jesus, oh, there was a correction. Let me correct you for the last song. Better than Mercedes-Benz. It is totally my fault. I'm going to correct my statement. It's a 6-3 in God. See? Yeah. So, I don't know what no picks. Yeah, just 1-4, 1-7. Yeah. That's a yeah, that's a Chop running in your chop, get big enough, chop running anything in your. I'm gonna tell you that now. Yeah. Big enough, chop, throw 1, 2, 1, 1, run, pitch, and on the second stop. This young shoot the DJ partner there, make a run, 1, 5, yeah. Hard, run down the back, bro. Make it run, fix, next right, that side, yeah. Ready now. Bounce around the middle, bounce around. One rough cut, buddy. Come on, something with a difference. Fix, right there, yeah, play it, man. Okay, go ahead. Yeah. So I look for ticket now. Ticket. Look at that party. King Whip, I'm pro. Don't mess around. So make sure you buy the ticket. And then take the team of ECD in the building, stay here. And then go one Malaysia Empire. Walking style, everything balanced. I don't think going as if I don't want to show someone I can't be. I'm going to throw it tonight. Well, let's do the right thing. I don't want to need to kick it out, though. Kick it out, go. Kick it out, oh. Kick it out, kick it out. My youth. One key to me, myself. Let's go, let's go. One thing we know, pro boxer when you play somebody. Pick up the dog. The dog pick up the dog, super thing dog. Pro boxer never go hard. Then get the poster. There's the one that with the red plate. Jesus Christ. Mayo. They sit down and like pro boxer. same. Think of me up inside the place. That's AJ. Let's go. Alright, so I think them say what you have to do is go over by there, which is the trophy them best up. Persons who are saying best under, link up on that side where you purchase a ticket, then please walk with the ticket. You know say team
yeah, man, now we have one wreck up on the next hand side over there, so yeah? Please fix things, remove the people out of the road, so we can continue.
you have to ask and tell them, say the police, walk with a little thing around them, go them kind of so, with them press a button, so I'm going to receipt come on, but the police don't tell them to use it, yeah? So we still at best under. All judges. Big up time crews inside the house. Heelz on wheel. Make it down with our voice. Ladies, you ready? Go, 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 go.
I get girls from all over. Miami girls have me all over. London girl them want go. Jamaican girl them want.
When I judge them, they come to place.
You that say decent. Love the love for the intense. Grenada girls I love them. They want to feel more than intense. Trinidad love bad me.
One of the judges link up the music room right now, ASAP.
The practice on the antics. She love the singer and she live in her planet. I get girls from all over. Jamaicans have me heart down. London girl, them want bones. Jamaican girl.
But I think before we go on. You just saw the front, huh?
Listen, tell what did the pussy to any man. Follow up your style and still can't tell it. Touch your pussy and call the name. Some girl only put it on holiday. You know fuck you when money day.
No, brother. No. No, but right up. That's what you need to get your fire.